Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am going to make one of the most vibrant cocktails for you. The gorgeous Purple Rain cocktail. The Purple Rain cocktail is beautifully concocted with vodka, lemon juice, blue curacao, and cranberry juice. I hope you will like this recipe. Let's make this cocktail in a beautiful old-fashioned glass. I will start by squeezing 2 lemon squeeze into the glass. Lemon helps to reduce the harshness of the alcohol, and also balance the sweetness of the cocktail, and that's why lemon is served with alcoholic shots. Now I will fill the glass with lots of fresh ice cubes, as fresh ice cubes melt slowly, and increases the life of the cocktail. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Now I will pour 1½ ounces of classic vodka. You can use any vodka of your choice. You will be surprised to know that vodka is the most popular among young people. As vodka doesn't have any strong flavor, so it can be consumed with any type of chaser. ½ ounce of blue curacao. Blue curacao is an orange-flavored liqueur, and very easily available in the market. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes like this. I will top up the cocktail with cranberry juice, and leave little space for soda. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at your next party, and share your experience with me. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Now I will pour a splash of chilled soda on the top. This cocktail making technique is known as the build method in mixology terminology. And if you want to know more about this technique, please write to me. Now I will slowly stir the cocktail to create a beautiful purplish blue hue at the bottom of the glass. Today I am using a gorgeous dehydrated lemon slice to decorate this beautiful cocktail. Purple Rain cocktail is ready for you. Cheers for your amazing life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. Please share this recipe with your family and friends. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.